So the next section we're going to do is going to be our work page. So if we just click on our work, you can see that we have that page title and the sidebar. So that's the first thing we're going to do is get rid of that. So if we click on edit page here, and if we scroll down and where it says content layout, put 100% full width, and on the left hand side go to title and disable it. Scroll back up and click update. And we're now going to edit with the Elementor, which we can press over here. So once you get to the Elementor page, we're going to add in a new section, and it's going to be 3 columns. And we're going to make sure that it's going to be dragged over so it has 20 on one side and 20 on the other. So that means it's 60% in the middle. And what we're going to do now is just going to throw in a heading into the middle. And here is our text, and I'm just going to copy and paste something I wrote earlier. And we're going to align that into the center. And we're going to click on style and change the text color to a bit more of a gray. I think I'll change it to 72, 72, 72. It was a nice color. And we're going to click on style again and click on typography. And we're going to change the size just to make it a little bit bigger. Picking something that you think is nice. And we'll change the weight to 300 just to make it a little bit thinner. And we're going to put in a little bit of spacing in the letters. Maybe change that letter spacing to 2 actually. Perfect. And with this, we're going to duplicate it. So this one here with the 2 pages, we're going to press that twice. So we're going to have 3 of them. And we're now going to type in or paste in the different bits of text for each side. So I'm just going to do that now. I'm just going to change that to home and not ho. And then for the last one, let's copy and paste. Great. So the only problem with this text is that it's awfully close together. So we're going to click on the top one here, and we're going to go to advanced, unlink the values together, and we're going to type in 150 in the top and 150 in the middle, the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing for the rest of them. $150 at the bottom. Click on the last one, advanced, unlink them, top 150, bottom 150, and then click save. Right then, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in some big images in here. So add new section, and we're just going to go for 1. And from that one, we're going to drag in a spacer directly into the middle of it, and we're going to change the space to 400. So this is where our images are going to be put into. So if we click on edit section on this new big space area, and then go to style, click background type classic and image. I've got some images from earlier. So the first one I'm going to use is my ocean one. So that's inserted in, and I'm going to put the position, center, and then size as cover. So that's fitted that in perfectly. And what we're going to do now is duplicate these 2 sections, or this section here, twice. So now that we have it 3 times. So we're going to go to the second one, and we're going to edit this. And we're going to go to style, and we're going to change that image to a different one. And I'm going to use my mountain ones here. So that's looking great as well. So now I'm going to go to the bottom one, click on edit section, style, background type classic, and image. I'm going to pitch this one of the night sky and showing off the stars. And center doesn't look awfully that great, so I might put it down to bottom center, or I might even have a look at top center. I think I might actually go with center. And then with that, actually I'll put bottom center, it's probably nicer. There we go. And with that, we're just going to click save. So to now finish off this Our Work page, what we're going to do now is put these images in their correct places. So if you, where it says edit section, if you just click and drag, scroll up to the top, and we're going to put it underneath the first quote. And then we're going to do the same for the second one. Put it underneath them ones. And then the final one is going to be already in position. So if we click save and close and view our page, you can see that we've now got a beautiful Our Work page and it looks absolutely stunning.